Lord to give you the knowledge and the understanding to read with an understanding instead of just going through and reading. And when I was looking at Proverbs 30, I went to 3 different Bibles, the King James Version, the New Version, and then my mama got a Bible from the bookstore called The Messenger. The Messenger, and it really breaks it down in layman terms what's going on. So y'all pray for me.
All right.
And I was doing Proverbs 30 and 20, and it says, "This is such is the way of a adulterous woman. She eat and wipe her mouth and say, I have done no wickedness."
Amen.
And y'all know adulterous woman is women who sleep with married men.
All right.
Yes.
Somebody who's volunteering giving sexual intercourse to the other person who is not their spouse if they're not married.
Amen.
And if you in church, you know you shouldn't be lusting after nobody else's husband, after nobody else's wife. That is wrong in the eyesight of God. And marriage is sacred to God. I also got out of Proverbs the Proverbs was she gives no thought to the way of her life. Her paths are crooked, but she know is not. That's Proverbs 5 and 6. When you in sin, you just going on day by day and thinking everything is okay, but it's not. And when I read these, I thought it was very touching to me because of me living before I got in the Lord, saved and sanctified, me living a devilish life in the things I used to do. And it's really opened up my eyes to some of the stuff that I used to do.
All right.
And I also was looking at Proverbs 30 and 22 when it says, "For a servant who he hath reigned, and a fool when he is filled with the meat." And a cross reference I got for that was Proverbs 19 and 10. "It is not fit for a fool to live in luxury. How much worse for a slave to rule over princes." And you know, when we in the world and we trying to do something that we had no business doing, we don't know conscious clearly of what's going on. And you could just mess everything up.
All right.
And I also was doing Proverbs 30 and 23 when it says, "For an other woman she is married and a handmaid that they are their mistresses." And I was looking at that and I was like, well, that's like somebody who's an unloved woman is a woman who's not happy. And for the mistress to take over and just do anything without her knowing is wrong.
Right.
And when you in the world and you are out there doing things that you have no business doing, it's consequences behind it.
Yes.
Amen.
Amen.